Hi, I'm Felicia Brown with Spalutions. I'm here at the Canadian Massage Conference speaking with Christine Livingstone of Massage Therapy Canada magazine. Welcome and thanks for being here today.
Thank you very much. We're thrilled to be here.
Yeah, so actually Massage Therapy Canada is one of the sponsors of this event. Can you tell us how you got involved in that?
Yes, we are. We are actually the media sponsor for the last 3 years. We came into the Canadian Massage Conference after purchasing the magazine, acquiring the magazine 3 years ago. We were approached by the previous massage therapist who had started the magazine, and she had actually started the Canadian Massage Conference.
Right.
So we were thrilled to come on board in that manner and meet the fantastic team of the Canadian Massage Conference, and we work very closely with them, and we are proud to once again be publishing the official trade show as part of the magazine, and we work very closely with the promotion of the event, and we printed and published the brochures as well, and we're very pleased and very proud to be a part of this event.
It's a great conference. I know last year was my first year here. I'm from the States, but I got to come up and help volunteer and meet you and get to know the magazine. It's a really wonderful special event.
It really
the team
is.
that they have here is they just make it a really fun time, and
definitely
they're really glad to have you working with them as a part of it.
Well, we are very thrilled, and just the spirit here and the people, very, very positive atmosphere here. So we're pleased to be a part of it. We really are. We also published Canadian Chiropractor. We thought it was a great fit and we're finding a little bit of interest in both publications, be able to provide that education as well for all of the massage therapists here. And I think that they really value their publication, and I think they're very happy that the direction that the magazine is taking and the articles that we're presenting in the magazine, a mix of articles that focus on not only the therapist but focus on various techniques. We're finding these events are great because we learn about which topics they really want to hear more about. It seems like fascia is a big topic right now, and they're enjoying the concussion articles in the current issue. So this is a great face-to-face for us to be able to give them what they'd like to read about.
It's wonderful. And so how often does the magazine come out?
Right, it publishes 4 times, spring, summer, winter, and fall. And the massage therapist can actually apply for continuing education credits. I believe it's about 2 hours for every 1 credit.
Wow, that's great.
So yeah, it's great. Yeah, and we actually digitalize the magazine as well online, massagetherapycanada.com. They can actually go there and access all of the publications in digital format. They can sign up for an e-newsletter twice a month, or search all the topics.
And so is that something that's free to go on the website?
It is free. It is free, and they can actually access the publication is a paid publication, but it is free to access the articles online.
Now, what about someone that, if they were looking to advertise in the magazine, how many people is it reaching, and what benefits are there to advertising in your magazine?
Well, the fact that the magazine is completely paid is fairly unique. As you know, there are several more massage therapists in Canada than we're reaching, but we're working on that, and the fact that the magazine reaches the massage therapists who really want to receive that publication. They're using it for their continuing education credits. We're really working towards reaching the schools. We just published the first annual Massage Therapy Canada Massage Therapy Programs Guide.
Oh, wonderful.
So that will be going, there was 12 schools participating, but there are of course many more schools I'm sure will participate. Next year was the first annual. It's going out to all of the high school guidance departments in Canada.
Wonderful.
So we're very thrilled to be a part of that project. So that's something new that we're doing. Yeah.
Anything else that you'd like to highlight about the magazine or the website that people might be interested in?
Well, again, there's exclusive content on the website.
So it's different than what's in the magazine?
It is different than the magazine. So you can actually go on there. There's new product highlights. The e-newsletter is only sent out twice a month, so you're not going to be bombarded with a lot of emails. But again, you can sign up on massagetherapycanada.com. Click on e-newsletters. You can archive. All of the e-newsletters are archived. So you can see all of those, all of that information. All of the issues are archived, so you can go on there.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, and you mentioned about the advertisers. Well, I think really they're reaching a market, the massage therapists who turn to that magazine because it is their magazine. We are an independent company. Annex Business Media, and we are not bound by an association.
Okay.
Although we work very closely, with all the different groups, whether media sponsorships of various events, and helping us, with the Massage Therapy Foundation, we're a sponsor of as well. Canadian Sports Massage Therapists Association, we were their media sponsor last year. So that is what we do as a business at Annex Business Media, is we partner with the various associations and give back in any way that we can. And that's what we're doing again here at the Canadian Massage Conference, is doing everything we can, right down from hauling water in to doing the trade show guide to whatever we can do, to help out, and because we think they're a fabulous team, and we're really, again, happy to we feel like we're really a part of this event. So.
Well, I agree with you 100%. Coming here last year, I just thought, wow, I want to go back to this every year. It's a pleasure to be involved with a group that is so positive, and they have so much fun, and they take such good care of everyone here, the educators, the students, the massage therapists that are here, and all of the vendors. They make it a really fun conference for everyone. So
they really do. Just like a really upbeat atmosphere as well, and you can just tell that by walking through the trade show floor, that everybody is having a great time, that they're happy, that they're learning, they're buying, which is you don't get that at some of the trade shows. So they're actually walking through the product, and you hear from the exhibitors, hey, stuff's flying off the shelf. So it's really it's fantastic.
Well, thank you so much for being here and for doing an interview with us.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And for sponsoring the conference in the way you have.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.